Looking for a hands-free way to vacuum and mop your floors? The Eufy X10 Pro Omni might just be your next smart cleaning companion. With powerful 8,000 pascal suction, dual spinning mops, self-emptying, self-refilling, and even mop drying, it's fully automated and packed with features. But what do actual users say? Many buyers are impressed. One 5-star reviewer called it a total game changer. They loved the easy setup, smart mapping, and the app's clean interface. They even got free cleaning solution from customer support, which they said was prompt and helpful. Another reviewer praised the vacuum's power and mopping performance. After weeks of daily use, they hadn't even needed to change the dust bag. Pet owners especially love how it handles hair and debris without tangling the brush. But not everyone is thrilled. Some buyers noted issues with the carpet detection. One user said it struggles with transitions, especially on low-pile rugs. Another mentioned that the power cord didn't stay in properly, and their unit wandered off track on parquet floors. They ended up returning it, but still gave customer service credit for issuing a full refund. And while the mopping works for most, a few reviews mentioned sticky residue or uneven results, depending on floor type and water level. Still, many agree. If you want automation, strong suction, and next-level convenience, the X10 Pro Omni delivers, especially with regular maintenance and some patience during setup. Want more reviews like this? Tap that follow and check out our other smart tech breakdowns.